Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the IR blaster as a universal remote on the Redmi Note 15. So this phone right here has an IR blaster which sends infrared signals, and this little dot right here is the IR blaster. So this basically works as a remote, and to actually use the feature we're going to need to open up the Mi Remote app. So we can just look it up. It should be on our phone installed already. There we go, Mi Remote. And once we're in the app, we're going to tap on Add Remote, or the plus icon on the top right, and then we're going to select the device that we want to control. So we can do TV, and maybe it's Samsung TV. Let's do a Samsung TV, and it's going to ask you if the TV is on. So if it's off, it's going to ask you to do a few configurations. So you can, it's going to be pretty much the same whether the TV is on or off. But now what we're going to do is tap on this button and see if the TV responds. So we're going to point our phone or the IR blaster at the TV and make sure that it responds. So we're going to tap once, and if it did respond, press yes. If it didn't, press no. So let's say it didn't respond. You're going to try a different configuration, and here if we check, as you can see, if it's visible on the camera, the IR blaster did send out a signal. So let's try that again. As you can see, it sends a signal. So just try every single configuration until one works, and once it works, press yes, and it's going to lead you to the edit remote section, where you can name your device, change the room of the device, and things like that. So I'm going to leave it as is. You can change some things, so like the room, the name, and once you're done, just press the check mark on the top right. And now you're going to have this remote right here, which every single button should pretty much work, because if you can see it, the remote does send out a signal every time I press a button. So that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.